Bye. Ooh, cool. Huh?
What are you doing? No, babe. If you're going to eat your popsicle, I want you to stay seated, okay? Stay up there. If you're going to have your popsicle. Oops. You're running around with a popsicle. Oops. Oops. Mats? What are you saying? Say Allie. Say Allie. That's baby. What's he doing? He's eating his popsicle. It's all gone. Look what happened to it. Where's your popsicle? Kostaki, where's your popsicle? What color is it? Green. Good boy. Baby. James. Where's your popsicle, baby? You're trying to get every last piece just like your mommy would.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Max.
Say bye-bye.